So are you the one who is still adding the LinkedIn lead ads details manually into Pabbly email marketing as subscribers? Then watch this video till the end and I'll show you how you can automate this process. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add LinkedIn leads to Pabbly email marketing. So like you, I also use LinkedIn ads to get more leads for my own business, and now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from LinkedIn, I want to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing so that we can nurture these leads with email campaigns. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly email marketing, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone. Let's begin and create a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly email marketing. So if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL in the description box below of Pabbly Connect. Go on that URL, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. Go on that sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. And after you log in, directly come on the dashboard and open this workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in and open this workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn and select LinkedIn over here. For the event, we have to select lead notifications and click on this connect. So if you have already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. And once we click on this connect with LinkedIn, we have to enter the account credentials and click on this sign in. And our LinkedIn account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select this sponsored account, but it is saying no options found. So what you can do is you can simply click on this refresh fields and this will be shown as the sponsored account. So I'm going to select the sponsored account and move on further and click on this button which says save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. Now how can we capture this webhook response? So to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. So let's say I am running a campaign on LinkedIn and someone sees my ad and they are interested and they click on this apply now and fill in this lead form. So automatically their details will be captured in my workflow. The workflow is going to get triggered and further the details will be added in Pabbly email marketing as a new subscriber. Alright, so what we have to do is we simply have to fill in this form. So I'm going to fill in this form. So you must be wondering why we are not getting the option to fill in this first name, last name and company name. So over here I am running a draft campaign. That's the reason that it is not giving me these options. But if your campaign is live, definitely your leads are going to get the option to fill in the details. But over here I only have the option to fill in this email address and phone number. So let's fill in these details only. Alright, so let's say for the email address, I'm going to select it as testuser222@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to enter it as this and click on this submit. And yes, we have successfully submitted this. So now let's open our workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response. You're going to see over here are all the details, be it the first name, last name, company name, phone number or the email address. And now using these details, I'm going to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Pabbly email marketing. Once we are going to search for it, we have to select it. For the event, we have to select add subscribers and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between Pabbly email marketing and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token. To get this token, you have to click on this developer API. So this is the text and it is attached with a hyperlink. And once we click on this developer API, over here we're going to get this bearer token. So you have to copy this bearer token and paste it in your workflow over here in this token section and click on this save. And your Pabbly email marketing account is connected. So easy, right? Now you're going to see it is asking me for the list name, so I'm going to select the list as default list only, and first you're going to see that I have only 3 subscribers in this list. Alright, so now let's enter the email address and the name and add a new subscriber, but we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So this is the reason why we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time. So I've mapped the email address and the name, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response. It is saying list updated successfully, total emails are 4. Alright, so let's open the subscribers, but you're going to see over here are 3. So let's refresh this subscribers list, and once you're going to refresh this, you're going to see now we have 4 subscribers. You're going to see the same details, the same name and the same email address has been added over here. And now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, within seconds and in real time, the details will be added in Pabbly email marketing. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.